Kuya Boy. What comments did you get sa social media?
They were, parang madami nagko-comment, ay, Jewel Mark is back and stuff like that. So, di ko alam kung pwede bang sabihin na Jewel Mark is back kasi it's just Juliana and Marco.
Pero may
as
denials
friends.
daw from ano?
Po?
May
Yeah, how do you
denials.
feel, Marco, na nung tinanong namin, like, si Goma, kung totoong boyfriend ka ni Juliana, he denied it. Tapos nung may magtanong din kay Juliana, she denied it. How do you feel?
No, it's fine because ako din at first I was denying it kasi I didn't want nga na if it's not needed to make it public, I don't want kasi that's my life. It's private and I want to keep it as not as secret as possible pero as private because feeling ko yung mga lahat tayo may damdamin at lahat tayo may feelings and maybe I was not ready yet to tell about to the whole world what I felt for her dati and stuff like that. So maybe that's why we were denying, all of us were denying it until it's done na. It's past. So
But it's not because hindi alam ng parents niya na kayo.
no, alam niyan. Alam po naman nila.
So, hindi ka na-hurt no na parang dinideny ka na
Hindi
boyfriend ka?
naman po ba? I mean, wala naman akong ganong effect na kasi na napagpaalam ko din naman. So, for me the important is kahit hindi yung buong world alam, at least sila na sila ang pinaka-importante alam.
Wala na bang second chance?
Let's see. Hintayin na lang natin.
Kapag napususuan ngayon, pero ba? May iba ka ba nakikita? That's why you say na...
Sa ngayon po, wala po naman. Kasi ang pinaka-focus ko naman work. So, pero malay natin habang nag-work, may nakilala ako. Kaya tingnan na lang natin, abangan na lang.
So, Marco, you're saying na parang mutual decision yun ni Juliana to be private about it before.
Yeah, opo. Kasi before Juliana, there was some relationship stuff na nasama yung showbiz and it affected our relationship. So by experience, I don't want na if in case kunyari maka-love team ko, may maka-love team po ako or kahit ano po yun, ayoko na sa una ma-affect ba yung kahit friendship po namin. I want to explain to my love team that I don't want showbiz to affect anything about the two of us.
So, what made you come out in Tito Boy show and admit it?
Po?
What made you come out and admit it?
Kasi lalabas at lalabas din ang katotohanan, di ba? Kaya bakit naman hindi? Parang wala namang masamang bagay doon. So, lahat naman po tayo nagkakajowa, di ba?
Tama.
Kaya yun po.
Isa ba yun sa mga issues yun ni
Po?
Kisses?
Ay, parang after na po yun.
Marco, for the record, how long kayo ni Juliana?
Wait lang.
Officially ha?
Officially, mga ilang months din naman po.
Say,
Walang year.
Wala naman pong year. Wala naman.
So, how do you feel na parang ang comment sa'yo, ang swerte naman ni Marco, siyang unang naging boyfriend ni Juliana?
Well, feeling ko kasi it's nice. It's not a bad thing when you fell in love with someone. Kasi the point is kung may silbi ka sa isang tao, parang feeling ko kung ikaw ang dadating isang tao para sa akin, kung hindi ako magsisilbi sa buhay niya na may matututunan siya ang magtuturo sa akin ng something. So, feeling ko experience is good and parang ganun.
Anong masasabi mo doon sa mga nag-react na parang ginagamit mo raw si Juliana?
Well, sa tingin ko naman po sa mga nagsasabi ng gano'n, siguro po kilalanin po natin muna ang mga tao at kung anong pinagdaanan nila. And I don't find a reason to use Juliana because she's not even in showbiz. And she's been so nice to me and then why should I use her? Parang gano'n. I mean, she gave me her friendship and that's important. That's such a big thing na hindi lahat ng mga tao na binibigay ngayon, hindi mo alam kung totoo sila sa'yo o hindi ba. So I'm happy that I can trust her.
So does it mean open na make reconciliation? Possible na magkaroon ng reconciliation?
Hindi naman po kami nag-away. Friends po naman kami. I mean, even when we broke up, it was a friend thing. We were happy about it. Kasi that's life. Go on. Move on. Parang gano'n. It's not gonna be
How
the
was
end
your
of the world.
Valentine? Meron ko bang pinadala